Yeah, so it's February. February came quick, you know? It seems like just yesterday it was late September and I was coming back from Nicaragua and I was broke, you know? I decided I was gonna come out here to California and work for the winter season instead of taking a surf trip like I normally do. My goal was to save 10 grand. You know, I should hit that goal about the middle of next week when I get my paycheck. So I'm feeling pretty stoked about that. I've been able to surf probably an average of, you know, 4, 5, 6 days a week. Been having a good time. Not a lot of really epic surf, but what I love about California in the winter is just lots of consistent surf. It's been super fun. I'm starting to think about the tropics. I'm starting to dream of Nicaragua, I'm not gonna lie. Nicaragua is a place that, like, the longer I'm away, the more I just kind of fantasize about how life is there. That's just kind of, I'm hung up on it.
Yeah, there we go.
The concrete jungle definitely wears on me. Even though it's not so bad here in Ventura as other parts of California. Yeah, it really does wear on me, you know? I get kind of sick of the mentality, the materialism. I'm definitely a country boy. I have a little bit different mentality than definitely most people in California. I definitely see things a lot differently. I value different things in my life. I value experiences over material things. But, you know, that's how I'm able to work 25 or 30 hours a week and save $10,000 over a few month period, because I don't really spend money. You know, I buy gas and food, and I surf for fun, go out into nature, read, listen to audiobooks, play some video games sometimes. I'm a pretty simple dude. That's definitely one of the things that wears on me about California, is California is not a simple lifestyle. It's very extra. Very extra. Everyone's a lot. Me, I'm just not much. Go, go, go. Here's for the core lords infesting your local. They all gonna go pro, and they let you know. Hi. Yeah, so after surfing the river mouth, I almost always end up here because it's literally like the best Chinese food in Ventura County. Look, it's so sweet, manual. Oh, I want one. I want one. Keep the country. As high as I am. Amazing. Amazing. That healthy and delicious. Not coated in MSG. Nice and clean. This is the best spot in Ventura, man. Right here on this grassy knoll where the homeless people used to hang out. I don't know where they all went, but more for me. So, the best part about this Chinese place is it's right next to a Chinese donut shop. And this is why I'm not ripped like most surfers. I like donuts too much. It's become very clear to me that I have a problem.